Hello, to change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the wallpaper and style and go into the lock screen. And right here you have to wait a little bit. And now we can adjust the clock. So let's select the clock widget right here, let's press on this one. And now we can change the font of our clock. You can change the style, so let's first of all change the style of our clock. We have different styles available. And not for all of the styles, as you can see. We can also toggle these informations, but not for all of them. This one, for example, has this option to show weather information or show date above the clock, as you can see. And yeah, that's all about the styles. And now we can change the font and color of the clock, as you can see. And also, not for all of these fonts, there is an option to make and to adjust the boldness of the font. As you can see, we can make it thin or thick. And yeah, we can also right here change the color. Yeah, and we can also set up our custom color right here. So yeah, that's basically how to adjust the clock. As you are done doing applying changes, you press this done button, and right now, as you can see, we have changes applied to the lock screen. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.